Hi, friends and family. Hi, friends and family. It's Cheryl again. On a recent video, I talked about some projects that I would be taking care of for my next trip. That was Poppy sneezing. Get out of the grass, Poppy. And one of my projects was a hub for my front driver's side that I have driven off. So guess what came in the mail today? My hub came in the mail. So I am going to unpackage this. And I have to admit that I've been a little impatient and started tearing into the package. Okay, so this is the package for one of my projects. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this box. Let you see how. Okay, we'll figure this out. Okay, here it is. We'll pull the side out right here. They wrapped it really well, being that it's plastic. It had to come all the way from China. so, all right, so we have bubble wrap, a bubble bag, piece of tissue. Okay, and here we have my latest hub. Now, these things are plastic. And I think from the start they were plastic. And it just kind of pops down into your hub. And this lines up with the design. Okay, so I'm going to try to put it on. Okay, let's move over here. Let's see if we can get this bad boy on. Let's see if I can get this where you can see. Can't really see that well. So let's see if I can let it down a little more. Poppy, Poppy, why are you drinking out of that water? All right, that's it. All right, here's my hub. Now, okay, here we are. Here's my hub. And like I said, it has these grooves that pop on. All right, and then you see we have these, whatever they are. And so I'm going to look and see how the other hubs look at what position. The other one is about like this. So when they stop, I want them to look about the same. So put it right here. take my time. I think that's it. That's not it. Let's see if we can try one more time. Oh, I may have to take this and let someone else put it on, because you know what? Last time I put it on, guess what happened? It came off. All right, so let's see how that works. Okay, I was able to get it on flush, and I'm hoping that this time this does not come off. It seems like it's on there really tight. I don't think I put the other one on as tight. I used my shoe, which is a rubber sandal, and I used it to help to get it in securely. So that is project number 1 completed. Which is a rubber sandal. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. It was fun making it. So if you like this kind of content, go ahead, like, subscribe, and share my videos. So until we see each other again.